So I came into Cardiff last night and I was stopped by customs. Uh, when I came in for my passport stamp, they asked me to sit down, and then I was interrogated for about 45 minutes on who I was, where I was going, what my intentions were, who I planned to meet, the names of my friends in Wales. I told them, of course, I'm coming for St. David's Day. It's a Welsh national holiday. I'm Welsh. That's why I'm here. So, after about 45 minutes of that, I was given the passport stamp, and then I went to collect my luggage, where I was stopped again and asked to go through a random inspection. So we took my bags into a room and emptied the contents thereof. I didn't have anything prohibited on my person or in my possession. And then we asked the same questions again. Why am I here? Who am I here to meet? What's my business here? A little nerve-wracking. People have warned me to be careful, that what I'm doing is very dangerous. Some of the people that I've been working with, it surprises me the amount of fear that is there for them and also for me on their behalf. And I appreciate it. This is something that I didn't go into with a light heart, that I knew at some point could cost me my life. And I don't say that to be dramatic. I don't think that the government here would do anything to harm me, especially since I've been very public on Facebook that I don't think that violence would be what would bring this problem to an end, what would totally resolve it. I think that working through the legal system, working with the United Nations, using the tools that are there, and showing all of the evidence on what's occurred here would ultimately be the remedy to fix this problem. I think that if someone was going to try and harm me or kill me, it would be someone possibly with mental illness or someone unstable. So yes, this is where I'm at now. My first night in Cardiff. I've stayed at the Hilton. Nice room here. I've got a nice view. I was exhausted last night, so I didn't go out. Today I intend to eat my breakfast and get dressed and then go to the office of Amnesty International if they're open. And I want to talk to them about the severity of what I've done and what they can offer Welsh people that support me and support the cause for independence. We'll see what happens.